need him for the record, don't believe him. Know this all about drugs and green, and this all blow like Hunter sneezing.
What's going on, guys? Long time no see. Well, let me fill you in. I'm kind of running late to Cleetus and Cars for the Burnout competition. I'm taking my very, very ugly Grand Marquis. The only reason I'm running late is because I like to somehow leave everything for last minute. And of course, I had plans on doing a gear swap and mini spool on the Grand Marquis. So unfortunately, the gears I didn't have enough time for, which I'm kind of happy I didn't really rush it, because everything that could go wrong went wrong. I had the Tahoe down, which is what I'm in right now, thankfully. I was doing long tube headers, turned into a nightmare. They were cheap headers. Long story short, the cheap is not the way to go. Just for you guys out there, just buy the expensive, good quality ones, and you know, because you're gonna spend probably 8 to 10 hours, like I did, more on banging the runners and trying to make it fit and all that stuff, and welding and fabricating pipes. You know, it's a nightmare. So, but anyways, the Grand Marquis now has an off-road X pipe that I custom made. It's not the prettiest, but it sounds pretty good, and I got some money back from the catalytic converters, which was nice. So that was done to the car since the $500 car challenge, and now we're only going to Cleetus. And I know I'm not a Burnout guy. I like to drift more than anything. Burnouts are kind of useless to me, but it's kind of fun, and I'm doing it for a good cause. I'm gonna go out with the Skids for Kids guys out there, which is the only reason I'm really going out there. I have a trunk full of toys that were donated mainly from the deck bar in Cape Coral. So if you guys are local, make sure to stop by and, you know, tip my bartenders and get some food. But headed out to the track. I'm probably halfway there now, and I was supposed to be there about an hour and a half ago. So let's hope we make it, and we'll see how the car performs. Alright guys, we are at the Freedom Factory. Got a little bit of hat hair, and I'm like about second in line right now, suited up and everything. Hopefully already ripped off the exhaust coming off the trailer, so I'm hoping the car doesn't blow up or nothing, but hey, if it does, it does. We'll see how it goes.
Are you going there?
No. Like 6, 7 people.
pen.
What?
I didn't have a pen for that. For the paper.
So you just decided to not fill it out?
I came here like an hour ago.
Okay, what's your name?
It's Laz, L-A-Z.
Got it, you copy.
Laz? Killing me.
I'm sorry. This thing wasn't running.
My dude, what's up?
What's up?
All right, we're being pushed. As a GT350 doing this contest right now. All right, let's see how far we can go on. Woo! Uh-oh. Almost there. We need more push. There we go.
One crown Vic helping another.
Just
down there.
Down there.
There too, that's perfect.
Oh, nice.
Burnout. It'd be fucking sick if I could do a burnout back here while I'm pushing these. What happened to this one? Wow. No, it's just the box.
Yeah.
Little squeeze. You know that right? Yeah. A little bit more.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alrighty, guys. So leaving the Freedom Factory, it was kind of embarrassing taking this car out there because it had no power. I should have done the gears, but I didn't have enough time. And the car I kept it in first gear, and it just kept going up, and down between first and second gear. I didn't know what to do, and for some reason, I don't know why it was jumping up to second gear when it's in first. But, you know, it is what it is. Next one's in April. Definitely got to redeem myself. It's nowhere near a drift car, and it definitely does not have the power for either drifting or doing burnouts unless you put, yeah, I guess if you put like a 410 or something along those lines. But right now this car has a 273, and it bogs. It bogs in first gear. But next time, definitely got to redeem myself. I got the gears, I got the 5-speed transmission I'm going to put in it, and I just got to dedicate some time to it and, you know, go for it, burn some rubber. But it was great meeting the team, the Skids for Kids team. Great guys. They all have insane burnout cars. So I got to step it up, catch up to those guys, and until next time.